10 wrestlers are weighing in before a match. Their weights are recorded as follows. So they give you 10 different wrestlers and their weights. What is the average weight of the sumo wrestlers? Now remember that you're going to be able to use a calculator for the test. So in order to be able to find the average, we need to be able to add them. Which is, so your average, or your mean in this case, 1390, and I'm going to divide by how many do we have? We have 10, so therefore it will be 139. Now, what is the standard deviation? First, we're going to find your variance. To be able to find the variance, we are going to take the difference between each of the wrestlers' weight and the mean. We're going to do 125 minus 139 will be 14, and then we're going to square it. Plus 150 minus 139 will be 11, and we're going to square it. Don't worry if it's negative or positive, because we are going to square it. We just are concerned about the positive aspect. Always going to be positive once we square. 132 minus 39 is 7 squared. 120 minus 139 gives you negative 19 squared. 160 minus 139 gives you plus 21 squared, plus 6 squared, plus 2 squared, plus 9 squared, plus 1 squared, and plus 4 squared. And I'm going to divide by how many numbers we have. We have a total of 10. And that'll be your variance. And you can just type in everything at once, just like I'm going to do right now. So we have 14 squared, plus 11 squared, plus 7 squared, plus 19 squared. And actually, I'm going to use the fraction bar. That will make it much easier to do. So let me redo it once again. 14 squared, just be patient, plus 11 squared, plus 19 squared, and I forget my 7, be patient, plus 19 squared, plus 21 squared, plus 6 squared, plus 2 squared, plus 9 squared, plus 1 squared, plus 4 squared, divided by 10. So my variance is 130.9. To find my standard deviation, I'm going to take my variance and I'm going to take the square root of it. So I'm just going to take 130.9. I'm going to take the square root of 130.9, and that will be my standard deviation. So in this case, it will be 11.4. And we're just going to wrap it up to 4.4. Now, letter C says, to be eligible for competition, the wrestlers must weigh within 1 standard deviation of the mean. So therefore, I'm going to take my mean, and I'm going to add and subtract my standard deviation. Very similar to your margin of error. So it'll be 139 plus 11.44 and 139 minus 11.44. And I can use my calculator to calculate this, so I can just do it by hand. So add it, so it gives you 150.44. That'll be the maximum weight that they can qualify for, minus, so it'll be 127.56. Then we have from there, we can select which ones can qualify. So the minimum weight will be 127, and the maximum weight will be 150. So which ones qualify? So in this case, 125 does not qualify. 150 does. 132 does. 120 doesn't. 160 over, 145 does, 137 does, 148 does, 138, and 135. So your answer will be B, C, F, G, H, J, and K. Those are the wrestlers that are going to be able to qualify because they are within 1 standard deviation away from the mean.